This is WorldMonitor, a real-time dashboard that pulls together global news, geopolitical events, and infrastructure data into one map. It uses AI to track everything from supply chain disruptions to regional conflicts, with customizable views for finance, commodities, or tech sectors. The interface shows live updates with color-coded alerts, and the codebase runs TypeScript with a modular architecture for easy extension, though the README hints at multiple live variants, each with its own domain. This is Agency Agents, a collection of specialized AI agents that act like a full-service creative agency. Each one, from front-end wizards to Reddit community ninjas, has a distinct personality, workflow, and measurable deliverables. You can plug them into Claude, Cursor, or other AI tools, or use their scripts as a reference for building your own custom agents. This is hermes-agent, an AI that learns and improves over time by building skills from its own experience. It searches its past conversations, nudges itself to retain knowledge, and refines its own behavior, all while running locally. The core idea is a self-improving loop. It creates, tests, and refines skills without needing external updates, making it adapt to your workflow as you use it. The README highlights its built-in learning mechanisms and how it persists knowledge across sessions, though the exact training data and constraints aren't fully detailed yet. This is RuView, a system that turns everyday Wi-Fi signals into real-time human pose tracking, vital sign monitoring, and presence detection. No cameras, no wearables, just physics. It runs on commodity hardware, processes raw CSI data through a 6-stage pipeline, and outputs skeletal poses, breathing rates, and movement patterns. The whole stack is optimized for edge deployment, with Rust-based models that handle the signal noise and extract meaningful motion data from reflected Wi-Fi signals alone. This is promptfoo, a tool for stress testing your AI prompts, agents, and RAG pipelines. It runs declarative test suites against models like GPT, Claude, and Llama, then surfaces vulnerabilities like hallucinations, bias, or security gaps with side-by-side comparisons. The CLI integrates into CI/CD so you can catch issues before they ship, and it even generates compliance reports for audits. This is BettaFish, a multi-agent public opinion analysis tool that breaks through information bubbles by scraping, analyzing, and predicting trends from raw data. It runs a custom pipeline, web scraping, sentiment analysis, and LLM-driven forecasting, all configured via a single .env file with Docker support for easy deployment. The real power comes from its modular agents, each handling a step like data collection or trend prediction with optional PDF exports for reports. This is an AI hedge fund that simulates legendary investors like Warren Buffett's partner Charlie Munger and Cathie Wood, each with their own trading philosophy. The system runs as a Python CLI or web app, pulling market data to generate hypothetical trades, though it's purely educational, not a real trading tool. The portfolio manager agent ties it all together, making final decisions based on the team's analysis. This is Fish Speech, an open-source text-to-speech system that clones voices from short audio samples and generates multilingual speech with fine-grained control. It runs locally with models optimized for streaming, supports reinforcement learning alignment for natural-sounding output, and includes variants for human and LLM agent use cases, all while handling multi-speaker, multi-turn conversations in English, Chinese, Portuguese, Japanese, Korean, and Arabic. This is Deerflow, a super agent harness that breaks down complex tasks into sub-agents, tools, and sandboxes, each with its own memory and skills. It's built for long-running workflows, from research to coding, with a modular architecture that lets you swap in different models or tools without rewriting the whole system. The rewrite in 2.0 means it's now a clean slate, focused on orchestration rather than just research. This is notebooklm-py, a Python API that gives you full programmatic access to Google NotebookLM, including features the web UI doesn't expose. It works via Python, CLI, or AI agents like Claude Code, and covers everything from content generation to undocumented endpoints. The catch? It's unofficial, so Google could break it anytime. This is antigravity-awesome-skills, a collection of 1,259 plus battle-tested agentic skills for Claude Code, Cursor, and other AI tools. It includes official skills from Anthropic and Versal, with quick start options like NPX or the Claude Code plugin marketplace. The repo breaks down installation, compatibility, and real-world examples, so you can plug in skills for coding, workflows, or security without reinventing the wheel. This is SpacetimeDB, a database that lets you query data across time, past, present, and future, without rewriting your app. It handles temporal joins, versioning, and time travel queries natively, so you can ask when things happened, not just what happened. Built in Rust, it ships with SDKs for JavaScript, Python, and Go, and runs locally or in Docker with a single command. Subscribe to Build Things with AI for more vibe coding ideas and news.